Hello and welcome. Here I will talk about the algorithm of converting infix to postfix, expressions, how it works, and then I will solve 8 exercises. This is a no code video, so I will not code here. If the 𝗀𝗃 char is a operand, we print. If it is a left parenthesis, we push in the stack. If it is a right parenthesis, we pop and print from the stack until left parenthesis is found, and then we discard the left parenthesis. If it is operator, and if the stack is empty or has a left parenthesis on top, we push. If not, we must follow the rule about precedence, and I have these to help us to understand. These are the operators, these are the higher precedence operators, and these are the lower precedence operators. So if the operator that we are analyzing is higher than the top of the stack, we push. If it is lower or equals, we pop and print the stacked operator, and go back and do and analyze again. You will see on the exercises how this works. At the end, we don't have any more chars to scan, so the expression ended. We pop and print all the operators from the stack. So first exercise, A times B plus C. A is the operand, so we print. Times is the operator, so the stack is empty and we push in the stack. B is operand, we print. We have a plus is operator, and we must follow the precedence rule. Is lower because plus is lower than times. So we pop the times and go back, and now the stack is empty, so we can push the plus. Next we have C is a operand, so we print. The expression ended, so we pop and print and all the operators from the stack. Pop and print. So this is the starting, the infix expression. This is the postfix expression. Next, A is operand, we print. Plus is operator and the stack is empty, so we push in the stack. B is operand, we print, and times is operator. We go to the precedence rule, and the times is higher than plus. Higher than plus, so we push in the stack. C is operand, we print, and the expression ended, so we can pop and print all the operators from the stack. Pop and print, pop and print. So input, output, postfix expression. Next exercise, a little more complicated. A is the operand, we print. Times is operator, the stack is empty, we push on the stack. B is operand, we print. Plus is operator, we go to the precedence, and is lower than times. So times will pop and we go back, and now the stack is empty, so we can push plus on the stack. C is operand, we print. Times is operand, the stack is not empty, we go to the precedence, but this time times is higher than plus, so we push the times on the stack. D is operand, so we print. Then the expression ends, we pop and print, pop, print, pop, print. Okay? For exercise. Now we have this is the power of C. Okay? B power C. So A is operand, we print, times is operator, the stack is empty, so we push on the stack. B is operand, we print again, and power is operator, precedence is higher, is the highest one, so we push. C is operator, we print, plus is operator and go to the precedence, is lower than the highest one, so we pop, okay, and go back. Again, precedence plus against times, so it's lower again, so pop and print. Go again. Now the stack is empty, so we push on the stack. Okay, we have D is operand, we print. Okay, the expression ended, pop and print, and this is the result. Exercise number 5. A is operand, so we print, times is operator, so the stack is empty, we put on the stack, we push, left parentheses, we push. B is operand, we print, plus is operator and the stack has a left parenthesis on top. Okay, so we push. C is operand, we print, we have times is operator and the precedence is higher, so times is higher than plus, so push. D is operand, we print, right parenthesis, pop and print until left parenthesis is found, then we discard left parenthesis, so pop and print, pop and print, and discard. Okay, we have plus is operator and the precedence is lower because plus is lower than times, so we pop and go back. Now the stack is empty, we push on the stack. E is operand, we print, and the expression ended, pop and print, pop, print. Okay, this is the result. 6. A is operand, we print, plus is operator, the stack is empty, so we push on the stack. Left parenthesis, we push. B is operand, we print. Times is operator, the stack has a left parenthesis on top, this guy, okay, we push. C is operand, we print. Minus is operator and the precedence is lower because minus is lower than times. Okay, so we push, we pop and print and go back, and then the stack has a left parenthesis on top, we push the minus. Okay, left parenthesis, we push. D is operand, we print. We have division is operator and the stack has a left parenthesis on top, so we push. E is operand, we print. We have power is operator and the precedence is higher because is the highest one, and we push. F is operand, we print, right parenthesis, pop and print until left parenthesis is found, discard the left parenthesis, so pop and print, pop and print, and then discard the left parentheses. Times is operator and the precedence is higher, so we push, and G is operand print, right parentheses, pop and print, pop, print, pop, print, discard. Times is operator and is higher, so we push here. Age is operand, we print, and we reach the end of the expression, so we pop and print, pop and print, pop and print. Okay. 7. We start with the left parenthesis, we push on the stack, then we have A and print on the result, plus operator, and this stack has a left parenthesis on top, so push, B, print, right parenthesis, pop and print until left parenthesis is found. Discard left parenthesis, so pop and print, discard. Times is operator, the stack is empty, and we push. C is operand, we print. Plus is operator, but is lower, so we pop and print. Then we go back, and now we have the stack empty, so we push. Plus D is operand, so print. Division is operator, and the precedence is higher than the top of the stack, so push. Left parenthesis, we push. He is operand, we print. Plus is operator, but we have a left parenthesis on top, so we push. F is operand, we print. Times is operator, and the precedence is higher than the top of the stack. Times is higher than plus, okay, so we push. G is operand and print, and right parenthesis, pop and print until left parenthesis is found. Discard left parenthesis, so pop and print, and then discard. Minus is operator and is lower, so we pop and print the division and go back. Now the precedence is equals. I didn't said before, but the plus and minus have the same value for precedence, okay, like times and division, okay, is why they are so close from each other, okay. So is equals, so we pop, okay, and go back. Now the stack is empty, we push on the stack. Age is operand, we print, and now we ended the expression pop and print, okay. The last one, exercise 8. A is operand, so we print. Minus is operator, so we and the stack is empty, so we push on the stack. B is operand, we print. Minus is operator and is equals to, and so we pop this minus and we go back. Now the stack is empty and minus go here, okay. C is operand, we print. Times is operator and is higher, so we push. Left parenthesis, we push. D is operand, we print. Plus is operator and the stack has a left parenthesis on top, so we push, okay. E is operand, we print. Division is operator and is higher, okay, so we push here. F is operand, we print, and minus is operator and is lower, so we pop and go back. And now is equals, okay, so we pop again and go back. And now we have a left parenthesis on top, so we push this minus, and G is a operand, so we print, and right parenthesis, pop and print, so pop and print, and then discard. Minus is operator, and the precedence is lower, so we pop and go back. And the precedence is equals, so pop and go back. Now the stack is empty, so we push, okay. Age is a operand, we print, and the expression ended, so we pop and print, pop and print, and this is it. This is the result expression, okay. So hope you understood this clearly, and thanks for watching. Bye.